Hi everyone. In the previous video, you have studied about logical operators, and this video is all about bitwise operator. There are three types of bitwise operators: AND operator, OR operator, and XOR operator. For bitwise operators, you need to understand a binary system a little bit. In binary system, there are just two values, 1 and 0. 1 means true and 0 means false. All of bitwise operators works according to a specific tables. AND operator has a different table, OR operator has a different table, and XOR operator has a different table. Before going to the code, I'll show you some tables. Here are those tables. AND operator table. When we apply AND operator on 0 and 0, the result is 0. When 1 on 0, the result is 0. When 0 and 1, the result is 0. When 1 and 1, the result is 1. You can say that AND operator is more like of a multiply. When you multiply 0 and 0, it is 0. When you multiply 1 and 0, the result is 0. When you multiply 0 and 1, the result is 0. When you multiply 1 and 1, the result is 1. To more simplify this, in AND operator, if there is any single bit of the 2 is 0, the result will be 0. Now we will move to the OR operator table. When you apply OR operator on 0 and 0, the result is 0. When 1 on 0, the result is 1. When 0 and 1, the result is 1. When 1 and 1, the result is 1. To simplify this, we can say that OR operator is more like of a plus. When you plus 0 and 0, the result is 0. When you plus 1 and 0, the result is 1. When you plus 0 and 1, the result is 1. When you plus 1 and 1, the result is 1. Or to more simplify this, we can also say that if any of the bit in OR operator is 1, the result will be 1. Now we'll move to the XOR operator table. There is a little bit modification in this. When we apply XOR operator on 0 and 0, the result is 0. When 1 and 0, the result is 1. When 0 and 1, the result is 1. And when 1 and 1, the result is 0. It means that if two bits are the same and XOR operator is applied on them, then the result will be 0. If two bits are different, then one is high and one is low, one is high and 0 is low, then the result will be 1. Now we'll directly move to the code. I'll declare two numbers, int a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Printf %d. Now I'll apply AND table on them and AND operator on them, and I'll just compile it. No errors. I'll run it. The answer is 2. I'll explain you this first, then we'll apply more bitwise operators on these two numbers. Here is explanation. The binary of 2 is 0010 and the binary of 3 is 0011. When we apply AND operator on them, the corresponding bits applied AND operator individually on them, 0 and 1, the result is, when you apply 0 and 1, the result is 0. So we'll write here on the fourth bit 0, and for the next bit 1 and 1. For the 1 and 1 AND operator, it will give us 1, and for this one 0 and 0. For 0 and 0, the result is 0. So we'll go here and write 0, and for again 0 and 0, the result is 0. So this is 2 in binary, as this is here is 2 in binary. So the result of 2 and 3 when we applied AND operator on them, on it, is 2. Now we'll copy this and apply OR operator and XOR operator according to the tables only. Here it is, and XOR operator. We'll compile this. I'll just put a backslash n for next line. This 2, 3 and 1. When we apply OR operator on 2 and 3, the result is 1. The result is 3. And when we apply XOR operator on 2 and 3, the result is 1. So this is all about the bitwise operator, and the next operator we'll study is assignment operator. Thank you.